Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Beats Studio Pro. Firstly, make sure that you turn on your Bluetooth. Open control panel and if it's turned off, just turn on it. This headphone should reconnect with your phone automatically, but there is a problem for iOS devices. We need to reconnect it manually. We need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap on them at the device list. Also, you can try to do this on your Android device, because sometimes happens with headphones that you don't want to reconnect automatically. But usually it should reconnect to your Android device automatically. Okay, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to firstly turn off your headphones. So at the bottom of the left ear cup we have connection button or power button or system button. Just press and hold it. We just turn off it, and then these headphones disconnected from the phone. As you can see, we have no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices or Save Device, My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices, but it also depends, because let's say on Realme, you have the information under your headphones that in use if it connected, and no information if it disconnected. So maybe on your phone you have another path to check it. Okay, next step is to just turn on your headphones. So press and hold system button again, we just turn on them, and your headphones should reconnect with your phone automatically. And maybe this one has fixed your problem. If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to firstly turn off your headphones, so press and hold system button, and then press and hold system button until you will see the red LED light. It's something like 10 seconds. So press and hold. We turn on them, now it entered to pairing mode, it's okay, just keep holding this button. Okay, we have the red LED light, so you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect them. You need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have iPhone, you can click at the pop-up here to connect, but I want to show it in another way. So we go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and then for these headphones, we don't need to remove them from the phone. Only just tap at your earbuds. It also works for Android devices. I tested on Pixel 8 and it worked the same way. We don't need to remove them. Now, if the factory reset didn't help you also, I have one more solution for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your network settings. So you can remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find a similar path to the settings. Now, on your iPhone, you need to open Settings and then go to the General settings. So click at the General, then scroll down, and at the bottom we have Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click Reset, and right here you need to select Reset Network Settings. There is no Reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. Now write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, it will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, click at this button. That's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to the System. So scroll down, click at the System, scroll down again, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have Reset options. Tap at this line, and right here you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Click on it, and then click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!